Do you know what I think? I think we all could use a little carpet cleaning therapy.
Before you carpet clean, you have to pick up the mess you made and try not to be embarrassed. And you broke a nail. Do you guys remember this trend? Ow! Ooh, wow, so different, so clean.
It's carpet cleaning time. Follow your friend. The carpet cleaning never ends.
Really hot water and tons of soap.
It's carpet cleaning time. Follow me or I'll be very depressed.
So I mixed a cleaning solution like a lot of you said to do last time. I'm gonna spray it before I actually carpet clean. Yeet! I live in Indiana and we have tons of storms. Oh my god, that's horrible. And I'd be sleeping with my window open. This is what it looked like. Come back for part 2.
Oh, I think it snows in this man's house. I wish it snowed in my house. I don't really like snow, so I'm gonna clean this. Oh god, I bet he's here for me. I got as much loose stuff as I could. I'm gonna wipe her down now. Ugh.
Tell you to run. Know what to say about the young. Pick me up with golden hands. I'm gonna see you. I'm gonna tell you to run. Know what to say about the young. Well, I would like to hold my little hand, and we will run, we will.
I scrub this sink every time I do the dishes, and I was just convinced that it was stained, but somehow the magic erasers, like, they really are magic, I swear. I mean, like, look at it, it just brings it away like it's nothing. Like, yeah, just stay to the end and you'll see how absolutely great this thing did. I swear I'm not sponsored by Magic Eraser. I'm just, like, dumb and don't realize cleaning supplies work.
I did all this. Now it's time to do all this. This might be paint, I don't really know. Someone asked me what this was, and it's just carpet cleaning solution and hot water. Looking good. Ooh. Round 2 tomorrow. Hit the floor once with the carpet cleaner. We're going right into round 2. Just refill this with hot water and soap.
This is what I pulled out from the last round, so.
This is after round 2. It looks really good. This will determine round 3. Oh, girl. Definitely gonna do a round 3. I rinse and clean the lid after every use as well. Jeez, that's disgusting. All right, we're going into round 3. Fresh water, new soap. This is after round 3. My carpet's like a whole different texture now. I am ill. Let's see what the forbidden soup says. Girl, how? I'm making myself do a 4th round just to see how dirty the water is, because how? There is already a huge difference. Kit Kat Jones, hello, iconic. Oh my. There is already a huge difference, but I feel like it could be better. Devastated. Girl! So I'm done with half the room. Finally, looks way better than it did. Oh, not good. These literally go all the way up my arm. Yeah, that's all you guys get today. So stay tuned. There's styles. We'll be back for more.
I would like to reach out my hand. I'm gonna see you. I'm gonna tell you to run. Know what to say about the young. Pick me up with golden hands. I'm gonna see you. I'm gonna tell you to run. Know what to say about the young. Well, I would like to hold my little hand, and we will run. We will.
I'm just gonna be cleaning this and you can swipe. At this point, I'm trying anything. You guys, I did it. I did it. I did it. I did it.
Everybody's seen those coin polishing videos, so I thought to myself, I want to make one of my own, so I did. I just used things laying around my bathroom to make this video. I first started off with the foamy hand soap. You can use gel or foam, it doesn't matter which one you use. You could see the dirt come off right after I started scrubbing. Then I switched over to a mouthwash that was laying on the other side of my counter. This got rid of some of the more stubborn dirt on the coin. I let it soak to try and get more dirt off. I let it soak for about 1 or 2 minutes before I switched over to using the next cleaning product. The next thing I used was an unused bottle of toilet cleaner. This worked better than the soap and the mouthwash combined. You can see the more stubborn dirt slowly start to come off after I started scrubbing with the toilet cleaner. Here's it finished, and here's the other side I did off camera. And here are the products I used to make this video. Hope you enjoyed.